Hello everyone, my name is Matthew and this is Learn the Lingo. Welcome back to Hebrew Basics, a series where we learn the essentials of Hebrew grammar. Today we are going to be doing a practice and review of everything we've learned in lessons 12 to 16 in this series. In lesson 12, we learned how to take a root of 3 Hebrew letters and make it into the present tense of a verb, which has 4 forms: 1 masculine singular, 1 feminine singular, 1 masculine plural, and 1 feminine plural. In that lesson, we took the root aleph, kaf, lamed, which has a meaning of eating, and made the 4 forms of the present tense. The masculine singular form is made by taking the first letter, then a vav with cholam, then the second letter without agesh, under which we put a tsere, and we end this word with the third letter, lamed. That gives us ochel, eats, in masculine singular form. To make the feminine singular form of the present tense, we take the masculine singular form, shorten the tsere to a segol, and add an et ending. Ochelet, eats, in feminine singular form. The masculine and feminine plural forms of the present tense are made by taking the masculine singular form, shortening the tsere to a shva, and then adding either a masculine im ending or a feminine ot ending. Ochelim, eat, in masculine plural form, or ochlot, eat, in feminine plural form. To say he eats chicken, we say hu, he, ochel, eats, in masculine singular form, to agree with the masculine singular pronoun hu, of, chicken. Hu ochel of. He eats chicken. Hu ochel of. We can translate ochel as eats, but we can also choose to translate it as is eating. So hu ochel of can also mean he is eating chicken. To say she is eating chicken, the pronoun we use is he, she. When we use he, the verb must be in feminine singular form, so that will be ochelet. He ochelet of. She is eating chicken, or she eats chicken. He ochelet of. And to say they eat chicken, or they are eating chicken, we must use the pronouns heim or hein. When we use heim, the verb eat must be in masculine plural form, ochlim. Heim ochlim of. They eat chicken. Heim ochlim of. But when we use hein, the verb must be in feminine plural form, ochlot. Hein ochlot of. They eat chicken. Hein ochlot of. There are some roots that have certain letters in certain places that will form their present tense somewhat differently. One example of this are roots ending with the letter hey. For example, the root resh sadi hey, which has a meaning of wanting. The masculine singular form of the present tense from this root starts with the first letter resh, followed by a vav with cholam. Next comes the second letter tsadi, under which we put a segol instead of a tsere. And the word ends with the third letter hey, which is silent. Rotzeh, once, in masculine singular form. The other forms of the present tense from this root are made by taking the masculine singular form and taking off the e ending. Then we add an a ending to get rotzah, once, in feminine singular form, an im ending to get rotzim, want, in masculine plural form, or an ot ending to get rotzot, want, in feminine plural form. Let's say you want a hamster. To translate you, let's use the masculine singular ata. Since we're using ata, the verb want must be in masculine singular form, which is rotzeh. A hamster is oger. Ata rotzeh oger. You want a hamster. Ata rotzeh oger. There are 2 ways we can take a Hebrew sentence like this and make it into a question. One way is to ask it like a question. Ata rotzeh oger? Do you want a hamster? We can also put the word ha'im at the beginning of the question. Ha'im ata rotzeh oger? Do you want a hamster? Ha'im ata rotzeh oger? We can answer this question by saying, Ken, yes, ani rotzeh oger. I want a hamster. Or we can say, lo, no, ani lo rotzeh oger. I do not want a hamster. The word lo means both no and not. Lo, ani lo rotzeh oger. Let's say I love my dog. I is ani, and love will be either the masculine or feminine singular form of the present tense of the verb from the root aleph, hey, vav. That will be either ohev, masculine singular form, or ohevet, love in feminine singular form. To say my dog in Hebrew, the expression is the dog of me. Hakelev, the dog, sheli, of me. Hakelev sheli, my dog. But I love my dog is not ani ohev hakelev sheli. This is because hakelev sheli, my dog, is the definite direct object of the verb ohev, love. When we have a definite direct object of a verb in Hebrew, the preposition et must go before it. Ani ohev et hakelev sheli. I love my dog. Ani ohev et hakelev sheli. And if the speaker is a woman, I love my dog will be ani ohevet et hakelev sheli. Let's change the sentence a little bit and say we love our dog. We is anachnu, and our dog is hakelev shelanu. And since we're using the plural pronoun anachnu, the verb love must be in masculine or feminine plural form. To do this, we take the masculine singular form ohev, shorten the tsere to a shva, and add either a masculine im ending or a feminine ot ending. But this doesn't work with the root aleph, hey, beit because of its second letter hey. If the second letter of a root is an aleph, ayin, chet, or hey, a shva cannot go under the letters, and instead the vowel will be a patak shva. So the masculine plural form of love is ohavim, and the feminine plural form is ohavot. Anaknu ohavim et hakelev shelanu. We love our dog in masculine form, or anachnu ohavot et hakelev shelanu. We love our dog in feminine form. Let's say I see you. I is ani, and we can translate see as the feminine singular ro'ah. And since you is the definite direct object of the verb see, in Hebrew this will be the preposition et with a u suffix on the end. The masculine singular u suffix is cha. When we add cha onto et, though, the vowel of et changes into an o. So you, as the definite direct object of a verb, is ot cha. I see you, ani ro'a ot cha. If the you in this sentence is feminine singular, the suffix is ch, which will need an a vowel between itself and ot, otak. You, feminine singular. Ani ro'a otak. I see you. And if the you is masculine or feminine plural, the suffix will be chem or chen. With these suffixes, and only these suffixes, the preposition et does not change its vowel to an o. It just stays as et. And the pronunciation marker in between is a shva. Et chem, you masculine plural, and et chen, you feminine plural. Ani ro'a et chem, I see you, masculine plural, or ani ro'a et chen, I see you, feminine plural. A very similar preposition to et is eit, which is just spelled with a tsebe instead of a segol. Eit means with, and in modern Hebrew is usually used with suffixes. That means we'll want to use it to say, I am with you. I is ani, and with you will be eit with a u suffix. Like et, eit changes its vowel when suffixes are added to an e vowel, eat. Onto eat, we can add a ha suffix to get eat ha, with you, masculine singular. Ani eat ha, I am with you, masculine singular. If the u is feminine singular, the suffix is ch, with an a vowel in between, itak. With you, feminine singular. Ani itak, I am with you. And unlike et, eit does have a vowel change with the suffixes chem and chen. It stays as eat when we add the suffixes. itchem with you masculine plural, and itchen with you feminine plural. Ani itchem and ani itchen. And finally, in these lessons, we've learned 3 question words. Ma, which means what, mi, which means who, and lama, which means why. To say, what does she see? We say, ma, what, he, she, ro'a, see. Ma hi ro'a. What does she see? Ma hi ro'a. To say, who is he? We say, mi, who, he. Mi who. Who is he? Mi who. And one last sentence. Why do they not eat cheese? Why is lama, and we can translate they as the masculine heim. Not is lo, and the verb eat must be in masculine plural form to agree with the masculine plural pronoun heim. That is ochlim. Cheese is gvina. Lama heim lo ochlim gvina. Why do they not eat cheese? Lama heim lo ochlim gvina. And that's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and share. And if you want to learn more Hebrew, please consider subscribing to my channel and checking out some of my other videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.